Come on, friends, it's time to play. We're going to the beach today. Sunny skies and ocean blue. So many fun things we can do. Beach day, hip hooray. Let's laugh and splash and play all day. Build a castle, sing along. Beach adventures make us strong. Scooping sand into a pile. Building castles with a smile. Big tall towers, flags so bright. Our sandy castle looks just right. Beach day, hip hooray. Let's laugh and splash and play all day. Build a castle, sing along. Beach adventures make us strong. Splash, splash in the sea. Happy waves say, come with me. Jump up high and wiggle your toes where the cool blue water flows. Look around, what do we see? Pretty seashells by the sea. Big ones, little ones, shiny too. Let's collect a colorful few. Beach day, hip hooray. Let's laugh and splash and play all day. Wave your hands up to the sky. Watch the seagulls flying high. Tiny crab goes side to side, walking with a funny stride. Hello, crab! We laugh and cheer. Our little friend has nothing to fear. Up, up goes our colorful kite, floating in the breeze so light. Higher, higher, watch it fly, dancing happily through the sky. Yummy watermelon, sweet and cool. Sharing snacks is always cool. Apple sandwiches, juice to sip. What a happy picnic trip! Beach day, what a day. We laughed and learned and loved to play. Wave goodbye to the sparkling sea. We'll come back so happily. The sun goes down with golden light. Stars will twinkle through the night. Thank you, beach, for all the fun.